Now, I am going to demonstrate how you can manage leisure bookings in Booking folder. We will cover the booking fulfillment process, including quotation, itinerary and customers' payment deadlines management. Booking number is automatically generated by system for each individual booking folder. You can make use of the trip deadline to indicate when the customer should confirm the booking, which the trip deadline will be shown in Task Management module for easy follow-up. The TCID is indicated for travel consultants' productivity tracking. You can add multiple services in the booking folder, such as flight, hotel, package, car transfer, car rental, train or ferry, insurance and miscellaneous service which subject to configuration. Here comes the service listing with flight, hotel and land tour in the booking folder. Customer may request you to give him/her quotation. Select quotation in options and quotation will be generated. If you need to provide options for customers, you can select the services in different options and add pricing. For example, in option 1, you can quote the flight and hotel services only. For option 2, you can quote the price with services. Then you can just save the quotation in PDF, send by mail or print a hard copy. Let's email the quotation to your client. Click on email and input the email address, type in the email message and click send. Also, system will capture the email history and document sent. You can download the document history anytime. This feature applies to all documents that you need to send to your customers for tracking purpose. If customer requests to have an itinerary, you can click the options button at right-hand corner and select itinerary as well. You can see the preview of the itinerary. And you can also input the segment remarks or document remarks to remind customer. Similar to quotation, you can save in PDF, send by mail or print a hard copy for the itinerary. PowerSuite aims to automate and simplify travel agent workflow. It is essential to keep track customer payment deadlines and ensure those deadlines will not be missed. In Payment Plan module, you can keep track payment deadlines for individual customer. You are flexible to add multiple payment deadlines, which does not limit to just one-time deposit and balance settlement. If you need to indicate the payment for specific services, you can input payment descriptions so customer can have more visibility on the services that paid for. Also, the payment deadlines will be shown in Task Management module for easy follow-up. Furthermore, you can prepare a client statement to your customer. The statement will list down the full itinerary with the payment plan details. The payment deadlines can be well communicated with customer. It is how easy for PowerSuite to handle quotation, itinerary and customers' payment deadlines for customers.